and we're doing the best we possibly can.
Top U.S. health officials defended the Biden administration's response to the unrelenting pandemic in front of a Senate committee Tuesday, as the number of daily COVID cases soared to yet another new high and hospitalizations remained at a record level. President Biden's chief medical advisor, Dr. Anthony Fauci.
This is an extraordinary virus, the likes of which we have not seen even close to in well over 100 years. It is a very wily virus. It has fooled everybody all the time, from the time it first came in to Delta to now Omicron. Very unpredictable, and we're doing the best we possibly can.
Biden, who has been accused of focusing on vaccinations at the expense of testing and support for struggling healthcare systems, told reporters on Tuesday he was confident the country was on the right track to fight the pandemic. His comments came as the U.S. reported 1.35 million new coronavirus infections on Monday, according to a Reuters tally, the highest daily total for any country in the world. And the number of hospitalized COVID patients also hit an all-time high, having doubled in the past 3 weeks. While the Omicron variant is potentially less severe, health officials have warned that the sheer number of infections could further strain hospital systems, some of which have already suspended elective procedures as they struggle to handle the increase in patients and staff shortages. Dr. Janet Woodcock, acting commissioner of the Food and Drug Administration, gave senators a stark assessment of the challenges.
I think it's hard to process what's actually happening right now, which is most people are going to get COVID. All right, and what we need to do is make sure the hospitals can still function, transportation, other essential services are not disrupted while this happens.
Looks like we might be cresting over that peak.
But there are signs that the tide might be turning, at least in some places, like New York, where Governor Kathy Hochul said that while daily infections remain high, the rate of increase is slowing.
A glimmer of hope in a time when we desperately need that.
And in Chicago, the 7-day average of cases showed indications of a decrease last week, dropping 8% since the prior week, city data showed.